The steam generating boiler's roots go back to the late 1700s and early 1800s with the development of the kettle-type boiler, which simply boiled water into steam. The water was placed above a firebox and then boiled into steams. George Babcock and Stephen Wilcox were two of the founding fathers of the steam generating boiler. They were the first to patent their boiler design, which used tubes inside a fire-brick wall structure to generate steam. In 1867, they formed Babcock and Wilcox Company in New York City. Their first boilers were quite small and operated at a very low rate of heat input. The Sterling Boiler Company, owned by O.C. Barber, also making boilers in 1891. Their Sterling boiler design was called the H-type boiler and had a brick setting design. The Sterling boiler was much larger than the Babcock and Wilcox boiler and used 3 drums to help circulate the water and steam flow throughout the boiler. In 1997, the Sterling Boiler Company merged with the Babcock and Wilcox Company. They renamed their boiler the H-type Sterling, and it became one of the best-selling boilers of its time, probably because of its ability to produce up to 50,000 pounds of steam per hour. The Griff Grade Company and the American Stroker Company were also making boilers of similar all-brick wall design. These two companies later formed the Combustion Engineering Company in 1912. The new Combustion Engineering Company offered the version of the Griff and American Stoker boilers and called it the Type E Stoker boilers.
So for the introduction of the boiler, the main component of the boiler system include the feed water heaters, feed pump and superheaters, condenser and condensate pumps. In addition, there are sets of control to monitor water and steam flow, fuel flow and the chemical composition of the air and steam. The feed water system is composed of two sources of water that delivers water into the boiler to be converted into steam, and the feed water consists of the condensate return water and treated makeup water. The feed water heaters extract the waste heat from the spent steam to preheat the boiler feed water. Preheating the boiler feed water increases the boiler efficiency by decreasing energy required to heat the warm to steam. And for the theory, the steam boiler efficiency, the percentage of total heat exported by outlet steam in the total heat supplied by the fuel is called boiler efficiency. Okay, then this is the schematic diagram for a simple boiler. On stage 1 we have compressor, which is the pump, the work into the compressor. Then move to stage 2, which is the water goes to the boiler, and then to stage 3, the turbine, which is the W out, and move to stage 4 to heat exchanger, and the TS diagram as we can see, and PV diagram.
Mainly, there are two types of common boilers used by the modern day plant. This is the fire tube boiler. For fire tube boiler, the fire created by combustion passes through the furnace and inside of the tubes with water surrounding the outside of the tubes. Simple construction is needed for fire tube boiler, thus most industries would prefer fire tube boiler. The second type would be water tube boiler. Its processes are similar with fire tube boiler, except water is now passes through the tubes with combustion heat surrounding the tubes. It requires less time to raise steam pressure and recovers faster than fire tube boiler. Most of the pressure vessels found in boiler are made of copper. It was highly favored because of its high thermal conductivity and better formability. However, its high price paved the way for people to look for a cheaper substitute, such as steel or wrought iron. Most designs in producing boilers nowadays are made of steel. It is because steel is cheap and can be welded, which result in quicker production and less labor. There are many applications for steam boilers in various industrial sectors. Examples are in food industries, which is industrial bakeries and manufacturing of dairy products. For wood industries are plywood and melamine processes. The other applications are pharmaceuticals, which are medicines manufacturing and vaccines. All these industries require steam boilers to generate enough electricity for production.